When a video performs badly, most new creators change everything. The thumbnail, the title, the topic, the editing, the length, the opening. Then, if the next video performs better, they have no idea why. I have done this myself. A video could get barely any views and I would decide the entire thing was broken. Possibly including my face. So the next upload would be completely different. That feels like progress. But it often teaches you nothing. If you change 5 things and the result improves, you do not know which change helped. If it gets worse, you do not know which change caused it. You made another video, but you did not run a useful experiment. A better approach is to choose one main thing to improve. Keep the video the same and test a new thumbnail. Keep the format similar and try a more focused topic. Keep everything else consistent and tighten the opening. It will never be a perfect scientific test. YouTube will not show every video to the same viewers under identical conditions. But changing one main variable gives you a much cleaner signal than rebuilding everything at once. The next question is what to change first. If a video gets impressions but few clicks, look at the title and thumbnail. If people click but leave quickly, the opening may not have delivered what the packaging promised. If people watch reasonably well but the video gets little reach, the topic may be too narrow. Or YouTube may have simply not known who to show it to yet. And if the video has barely any impressions, you may not have enough evidence to diagnose anything. That is another mistake I have made, treating tiny numbers like a final verdict. Sometimes the answer is not to change the whole channel. It is to collect more useful data. This does not mean you should stop improving. Improve the editing, improve the delivery, improve the ideas. Just do it deliberately. Before each upload, decide what you are trying to learn. Maybe this video tests a shorter opening. Maybe the next one tests a clearer thumbnail. Maybe the next one after that tests a more specific topic. Then write down what happened. Because if every upload changes everything, you are not experimenting. You are spinning every dial and hoping something works. I am trying to stop doing that. One video, one main change, one useful lesson. It may take longer to find the answer, but when something finally works, at least I might know why.